Good morning, good morning. If you woke up this morning, you are blessed. So I'm out here in our yard, about to get the horses out here, trying to get my older horse to train my little horse and get him in a routine, just getting it together. You can see, and doing some cleaning because I need them out in the field. So, and also we got a new puppy for out here. They call them shepherds, but we starting to kind of train him. So watch my smoke. And this is what we gotta do. Cause he's still in training. He wants to be a butthead. Hey, come on. See, I'm trying to be nice.
It's about how I had to get him in the other day. He go about 15.
Ready?
This is the moment I knew I fucked up. Cause boy, he was ready to get out in that field and get it cracking.
Look at him.
Hop. Hop. I might.
Okay, now I got both of my horses in. This is their first time together. They both are boys, so they having I guess they showdown real quick. Lord, this took a lot. They trying to see who's the dominant one, I guess. But we know who it is. We about to see.